guys, happy Saturday. So today's video is going to be how I film, and I'm just gonna let the camera roll and you guys will see how I take pictures of my items. Now if you had watched the previous video, I talked about before you take pictures of any item that you have, it's probably in your best interest to research the item first. That way you could create prompts for them. And after you're done taking pictures, you could just go ahead and list the item. You don't have to spend endless hours searching for the item, after you spend all the time taking pictures, because we want to do things quick and fast. And this is a method that has worked for me. So everything that you're seeing on the table right here, and I'll take you guys along. If you guys could make sure you guys got a good glimpse here. Okay. So I have already searched the items. I already have templates. Anything I could not get a template for, I have written it down on a piece of paper. And that way when I go ahead and list the item, I don't have to spend endless hours. So we're just gonna let it roll. I will put some music in the background, and I probably will give you guys I'll put what I'm doing in some of the slides that you guys are, you're sitting there watching. So, just let you guys hang in, but I'm going to let it roll. And after I'm done, I will show you how I list the items on eBay. So I will put that on the other screen and you guys will see how I list my items. Okay. So let's sit down tight, get some popcorn or your tea, coffee, whatever it is, and just watch me take pictures of my products. So maybe you guys could catch up with some of my techniques, because this is how I was able to learn to take pictures, by watching other eBay sellers, film themselves taking pictures of the inventory if they're going to list on their store. So some of these items are for eBay, Poshmark, Mercari. Nothing for Amazon. Amazon is very easy. You just scan the item and it uploads. Anything that does not upload on Amazon, you're probably ungated or cannot, you can't sell it. So I used to take pictures of items for Amazon, but I find pretty much everything I scan, there's already a picture. Unless if my picture is completely different, then I will put that in my description. Cover may vary, or I will take a picture. But other than that, I haven't taken pictures for Amazon in over 2 years. So I'm really excited, guys. Okay. Was my video of me photographing the products that I am going to put on my eBay store, Poshmark, Mercari. Now you could see I use different types of techniques, different types of angle. One thing I wanted to mention out to you, if you guys buy luxury items, so I bought this, and I will put the picture here. I love using Chanel's eyeshadow. It's more of like a rub-on eyeshadow. I don't know the proper name, but it's very it's like liquefied. So I can't afford anything Chanel, but what I could afford is the liquefied eyeshadow, which is about $30. I'm not a big makeup person. I do love makeup, but I find when I use the liquefied eyeshadow, it's so easy for me to do two tones. I can blend my eyeshadow, and I'll show you guys some pictures of different when I've used this eyeshadow, so it's worked for me. But I had the box, and it came in a nice box. Usually when I go to the store, Macy's, you know, get a box, and I ordered this online, and it came in a nice Chanel box. Now these boxes go for big money on eBay, on Mercari. I just want to put that out there. So if you guys do buy makeup from like Marc Jacobs or Chanel, or if you order perfume from Louis Vuitton, it comes in a box, don't throw the box away. You can easily get about anywhere from $20 up to $100 on Chanel boxes. Now this is a makeup box, and I will have to put that in my description, and I actually have to go down and measurement because they're going to ask you for the size. But the reason why people buy these, because you know, a lot of people like to have, and I'll show you guys some pictures here, they like to have boutique style walk-in closets, or it could just be an open door closet. And people like to decorate with these. They like to put them up on their shelves or to put them on bookcases, and it just makes the room look really nice. That's why a lot of people buy the boxes. If you're wondering why would someone want an empty box, they're not buying it to sort of reusing it. They're buying it more as a display. And sometimes it could be someone who maybe wants to give a gift in a Chanel box. They might have the makeup, they might have perfume, they might have bought something and they want to put in a box. So you never know why people are buying them, but I'm telling you, most of the time people buy them is so they could put display. I thought of doing that too, but with how things are going on now, I was going to get a new bedroom set. I'm just, you know, being precaution, and I think I could wait off maybe another year before I get a new bedroom set because of how things are going on now. And I don't know, because people have to come in and put together your bedroom, all that stuff. So I just don't want to put anyone's health at risk. So I think I could wait for a year where everything clears up and be very hopeful. But yeah, that's why people buy empty boxes.